Hi everyone, welcome back to Jolie Knots. I'm Crystal, and today I'm sharing with you something that's super close to my heart: how to make your own energy cleansing sticks using freshly harvested Mexican sage. We're going to go from garden to bundle. I'll tell you about drying, some cleansing rituals, teas, and even some cooking tips. So let's dive into that magic. Mexican sage is a really gorgeous plant with really super velvety purple flowers. It's got super aromatic leaves. It's best harvested in the morning, they say, after the dew's dried, but I just kind of harvest it anytime as long as it's well watered. You don't really want to harvest something that's like dying of thirst. Always harvest with gratitude. Always leave an offering, whether it is fertilizing your plant, like I said, watering your plant. That is also an offering, making sure that it's feeling good before you start chopping it up. Now, to make your sticks, we're just going to be gathering small bundles about the thickness of like a few fingers. We're just cutting and stringing, like you've been watching, around the twine, and wrap that sage tightly, but not so tight that it can't breathe, otherwise it doesn't burn very well. And you just tie it off at the base. I like to hang mine upside down or set it down in a space that's got some good airflow, and it's going to take about 1 to 2 weeks to dry, but that's really just going to be depending on your area and humidity. You'll know it's ready when the stems snap easily. So dried sage sticks are really ready to cleanse, gift, or store as soon as they're dry, and then that's it. You don't want to have to do anything else to it. Now, as far as the benefits of burning Mexican sage has super powerful cleansing properties. It helps to clear stagnant energy in your home, helps to purify the air, promotes the clarity, your calm, and spiritual focus. So before meditation, after arguments, or when you just feel kind of off, those are all really good times to burn some sage. It's going to help to boost your mood, clear bacteria in the air, neutralize negative energy. Also, I've noticed neutralize some pretty good bad smells, neutralizes those. Um, when you're drinking sage as a tea, you're going to use it really just like any other tea. It's got a mild, earthy, calming flavor, and it's packed with all kinds of benefits. It's going to help soothe your digestion, relieve sore throats, aid in hormonal balances, and it's got its own natural anti-inflammatory. You're just going to take 3 or 4 fresh or dried leaves, it doesn't really matter which one, and you're going to let them steep in hot water for like 5 to 10 minutes. Add honey and lemon if you like, and just enjoy it at those times when you feel like you need to stop and take a beat. um, don't forget, it's also amazing in the kitchen. So Mexican sage can be used just like common culinary sage. It just has a really slightly sweeter aroma. You can melt your butter, stir in your minced fresh sage. It's perfect on bread, veggies, or pasta, whether it's fresh or dried. You can use it on herb roasted chicken. Just rub fresh or dried sage under the skin. You can shove the belly of the chicken with some sage. You can just set the chicken right on top of the sage. You can saute it in mushrooms with garlic butter and your sage leaves. You really can do anything with sage that you can use any other herbs with. Sage adds lots of depth and warmth to savory dishes, especially fall and winter meals. So always start with a little smaller amount and build up to your flavor from there until you know how to work with it. So there you have it. Now, nature's gift in one humble, beautiful plant. From spiritual cleansing to healing teas to delicious dinners, Mexican sage is pure magic. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like, a subscribe. Let me know what you use sage for the next time you use it. And with love, we will see you next time.